Hello and good day. I am Sean Rooney from HP Converge System. In this HP OneView video, I'm going to give you a tour of the HP OneView user interface. Here is the HP OneView dashboard screen. The dashboard provides you a high-level overview of all your resources, including real-time health status. Resources are server profiles and enclosures, for example. Green means healthy and red designates a critical issue. I will show you more information about the issue when I review the notification area feature. There are different levels of user access in HP OneView. I am logged in as the infrastructure administrator, which provides the highest level of access privileges. Role-based access for backup administrators, network, server, and storage administrators provide restricted levels of user access to HP OneView. Finally, read-only access is provided by clicking on the read-only button for the designated user. Here in the top left of the screen is the HP OneView main menu. It is the primary menu for navigating to the server, networking, facilities resources, and OneView settings. The View selector is available on a resource page and is found to the right of the resource name. The View selector controls the information displayed about a resource and allows you to focus only on what you want to see. For instance, if you want to see the power utilization of your enclosure, select Utilization. Next, let's look at Map View. It is located next to the View selector and provides a graphical representation of the relationships between the current resources and other resources in your data center. Map View gives you immediate visibility into your resources from the individual Ethernet and fiber channel networks to the enclosure, rack, and top-level physical data center. The Actions menu is located in the upper right-hand side of the screen. It provides actions that are available to run on the current resource. For instance, add, update firmware, and edit. If you do not have permission to perform an action, that action will not appear on the Actions menu. Also, the menu options for the Action menu will change depending on the resource. Let's look at the activity control also on the right-hand side of the screen. It expands or hides the activity sidebar. It shows recent alerts and task activity for the current resources that are initiated during the session. The activity sidebar differs from the activity screen because it displays only recent activity. There are no recent activities for this resource, so the screen is empty. The Activities screen shows all activities, system tasks, and alerts since the appliance was first installed. Some resources, such as the Activities screen, have a filter sidebar that enables you to control the amount and type of information displayed in the Details pane. The Pin control expands or hides the filter sidebar. Now let's review the Session Control menu in the top right of the screen. This tracks who is currently logged into the appliance and the duration of each login session. It also enables you to edit some user account information depending on your user credentials. This is also where you log out. The Help control expands or hides when selected. Help provides context-sensitive information for the current resource or the ability to browse help for the user interface and REST API. The Help sidebar is where you can view the EULA, written offer, and access the HP OneView online user community. The HP OneView community is a place for you to share your experiences with other users and host PowerShell and Python libraries which utilize the comprehensive REST API. The user interface buttons Add and Add Plus or Create and Create Plus appear on the bottom of dialog boxes. The Add button adds a single item and closes the dialog box. The Add Plus button enables you to add another item in the same session. The Create and Create Plus buttons work in a similar manner. Let's revisit the critical issue we saw earlier on the dashboard screen for server profiles. We can go to the server profile resource screen and view the notification area to learn more. The notification area will appear when an alert or task has affected a resource and requires your attention. By default, only one line of information appears, but you can click anywhere in the yellow box to expand the notification area and view more details. The banner of every screen includes the Smart Search feature, which enables you to find resource-specific information such as resource names, serial numbers, worldwide names, IP, and MAC addresses. Search terms are case insensitive. Cutting and pasting into the search box is supported. Wildcard characters such as the asterisk are not supported. As I finish this HP OneView user interface tour, I hope you now have a good understanding of how to navigate around the appliance. I encourage you to stay in touch with HP Converge System and connect with others in the HP OneView community. Thank you, and I wish you great success.